comes to portable stage systems, RoadReady is rewriting the book. IntelliStage is a whole new concept in portable staging and is the ultimate in portability and convenience. This versatile, strong, and lightweight stage system consists of modular lightweight platforms and risers that are simple and mobile enough to be set up by one person. Perfect for schools, houses of worship, hotels, event organizers including sporting and live music events, mobile DJs, the fashion industry, and more. With your IntelliStage system, the configuration possibilities are endless. It's all made possible using IntelliStage System's modular design. Platforms and risers can be combined to create custom stages in various heights and configurations. IntelliStage risers are available in the most popular US and metric heights. Previously, portable stages were often less than portable, and even in their collapsed form took up a lot of space. They also required several people to set up, break down, and transport them. But RoadReady IntelliStage systems were designed to be easily assembled by a single person. Each platform and riser are fastened together using our unique internal locking system, and each lightweight platform can bear weight up to 185 pounds per square foot or 900 kilograms per square meter. When it's time to break down, you'll find that disassembly and storage of your IntelliStage system is equally simple and hassle-free. IntelliStage systems are also available in kits with optional compact storage flight cases featuring integrated casters that will transport your stage just about anywhere. All panels are clearly marked for proper storage positions to keep your IntelliStage system in perfect operating order. With IntelliStage systems, we've thought of everything for your convenience, with tons of cool integrated features like convenient cable and electrical ports on square and rectangular platforms, and cool options like slip-resistant Duraflex finishes, and other options like our ISSK Stage Skirt Kit that uses a system of fast and easy to install hook and loop clips that attach directly to your stage or drum riser within seconds. In addition to our stage systems, we've also designed a drum riser package that consists of 4 3x3 platforms and 6-inch high screw-in legs that fits in the trunk of your car and can be easily assembled in minutes. In addition to these typical stage setups, you can create nearly any shape you can think of, including multiple levels, catwalks for fashion shows, small platforms, steps, and much, much more. Getting your IntelliStage system up and running is a piece of cake. You are literally minutes away from having a sturdy, professional presentation platform. Note that you'll find the hex key in the foam key holder in the groove next to the platform locking mechanism indicated by the arrow on the bottom of the platform. After first unpacking your IntelliStage platforms and risers, you'll then expand the first riser completely. Align the corner locking posts on the riser with corner holes on the platform. After repeating this step several times, lock the platforms to the risers by turning the locking screws clockwise with the included hex key. Secure the platforms together by tightening the panel interlocking screws until your stage system is complete. When designing a custom stage configuration, you may encounter situations where you'd like to use risers of different heights, integrate step platforms into your setup, or extend your platform height. Because the platform interlocking mechanism will not work when securing risers of different heights together, we've designed an alternate method that provides the same level of security and stability using our ISSJ riser connection hardware kit. Position the assembled platforms of different heights side by side. Insert the riser clamp between the two risers and tighten by turning the knobs clockwise. Use 2 clamps per corner on risers higher than 8 inches or 20 centimeters. Coupling risers together allows the flexibility of extending the height of your platforms. To do this, you will need the ISREK riser extension hardware kit. First, remove the corner mounting post from the bottom riser and replace with the bronze coupling posts. Next, align the bronze coupling post with the holes on the bottom of the top riser feet and secure with the silver stabilizing brackets. For safety, never couple more than 2 risers together. Looking for more information on IntelliStage systems? Contact your local RoadReady IntelliStage dealer or visit us online today at www.roadreadycases.com/IntelliStage to find out more about our revolutionary new IntelliStage portable stage systems, offering you the ultimate in stability and portability and providing you with endless configurations and ease of use anywhere you want to take them. IntelliStage. Portable Stage Systems Redefined.